Guys, look what I've just got delivered from Lithuania. It's 23:15 now, so look, it's very dark outside. And I got this lovely sidecar. There we go. Lovely sidecar delivered. Well, saying lovely, the shape of it is probably one of the sexiest sidecar shapes, but very bad condition and very expensive. You barely can find them, so that's gonna be another project. But look at this front bit. Wow. Well, that's another bit to add to the project. So yeah, cool. I mean, it's gonna be a lot of work because apparently the guy that I bought it off, he said he found in some little Lithuanian village with a tree hanging on it for God knows how many years. So all that needs to be sandblasted and all. And looking at the plate, it does say 1973. So the bike itself is 71 and a sidecar is 73, and you can see the little remaining bits of the original color. So yeah, I mean, it does have some damage, but I will restore it. I definitely will restore it. She will go. That was one of the parts that was badly rotten on my bike, so that needs to be repaired, and as those parts. Also the wheel for the sidecar. Well, I'm very excited. That's a very short video just to introduce another bit to the collection. See you in a bit.